In the last video we have added ChatGPT in our app, and I think you have watched that. In this video we'll be focusing on adding a custom GPT in our app in Flutter in just 5 minutes. So basically this video is going to be a 10-minute long, and we will be creating UI, so that's going to be 2 to 5 minutes, and after that I will be showing you how to implement and give role to your GPT according to your needs using the prompt engineering. Okay, so let's get started. Firstly, we will start with the basic screen. We have our simple screen. We can firstly build the scaffold, add the body, we can add the body column. Let's make a very simple UI of the title and the okay, so I have few things ready. So I have like few widgets to like style and the custom themes. So let's custom GPT. Okay, we can give it a style. I have my constants ready. You can give as you want. As you can see, we have our thing ready. Then we will give a safe area. It's gonna be this. X-axis alignment center. Okay, and then we have to apply cross-axis alignment just to make it a center. Okay, yeah, and then we will give it a spacing. I have everything constant ready, so you can either use this size box. Height give it to 20, right? Then we will give a two text field. For text field we will be configuring text editing controller, role controller, and text editing controller, and then question. Okay, so basically what we are creating, we will be first giving the role of the ChatGPT, and after that we will be providing the question accordingly. Okay, so we will be creating custom GPT using this. So we have created that, and then I have custom text field created for me. That's a validator. Just ignore this part. This is a UI part. You can skip to like 2 to 3 minutes forward to get the exact right. Role controller and enter model role. Okay, build there. Okay, what it requires? Okay, it requires that it removes the constant value. Okay, then we will copy this again, and so now you can see we have our everything ready. We'll just give our padding of, let's give it a 24 padding. It will look cleaner. And after that, okay, enter model role, enter model, enter the question. Okay, and let's have the question controller over here. So we got that. So finally what we need is a button, and we have the button. Then we have, I also have a widget called custom button. You can create whatever you like, and the text is ask. Okay, and okay, just after question mark. Yeah, so I got this custom GPT and remove a model role, enter the question and ask. So using that we can ask the question according to our role. So that's our basic UI. And then for the answer part, let's add something new. 28. Okay, and then we will just create a text over here, and we will just create editing. Let's create a string of result on the answer, and we will just make it blank. We will just print answer over here, string answer. It's not going to be a constant now, and that's it. I think that's going to be a small text, and let's add something. This is a text answer. Okay, let's complete the UI by just implementing answer. reply, right? We got the reply. 2. So don't worry about this part. It's all for like me, right? It's a UI part. It's gonna be crazy. And just formatting the document, and it's gonna ready, right? Yeah. So this is where we are going to show our answer. This is where we are going to get the role, and this is where we're going to, right? So I have stored for that we will call the API. So let's create an API. Get answer. So for that we will just create a function first, and then we will add a try catch into this. We have a try catch. So first, basically you will just need to, if you go to the documentation, you will be provided by this link, which is openai.com view and chat completion URLs, right? First we will be parsing the URL, then we will be creating the header. You can just copy my syntax to make it like faster. Header requires 2 parameters, content type and authorization, and it requires a barrier API key. So for API key, I have my API key stored in my constant file. You can use your own API key over here to get it started. Then we will be using our body. So basically what the API requires is a body, model, message, header and URL. So body we requires 3 parameters, which is model, ChatGPT 3.5 turbo. We are using the turbo. Then we will be using message, and we provide the role. Like it's our role, so this is not the role for the model, and the prompt. Okay, so here's gonna be the prompt. We will just make a string for the prompt. Okay, and just let's use that. Also we will be required both the, okay, as we can directly use the text editing controller, we are not required to get it from here. We will be using the creativity level. Let's reduce it is for the creativity. We can go 0.6. Finally we will be requesting a post, HTTP post, right? Add an async modifier, and that you requires a HTTP package. We can just get the HTTP package. Sorry for that. I will add the HTTP dependency. You have to add it as HTTP, otherwise you can use directly as well. So this is our prompt. This is almost ready. Then for the result, just copy this. I'm suggesting just copy my syntax for this. It's gonna be same for you too. So the response we get will be in like such a directory. So it's gonna be a map of choices with the 0th message of the message and the content. So you will be requiring this parameter, and then you will be stored in the result. So this is our answer, and that's what we are returning. Also in this part, let's return something. Return E. Let's return the E. I think we should give it a future, as it's gonna be a future because it's have the async and the string. Okay. So just this will be print, and just E, we will write the criteria. Yeah. Okay, now refresh this once. Again, we don't get any errors over here. Yeah, everything looks good. So now about the prompt part. So this is the main modeling part. So what we in the prompt, we are using the prompt engineering. What we will achieve is we will tell the ChatGPT that you are this, and then you have to answer this question accordingly. Okay, so we will creating a prompt. You are a, then we will add the role provided by the user, which will be model role controller. What's the name we have put it, bro? Just don't remember that. Sorry for that, we have to just put it outside of the box. Role controller dot text as the role. You are a doctor, or you are a computer engineer, you are a doctor specialist in the OPD or anything, and okay, and okay, then this, then using that give me the answer of this question supercharge. Okay, question, and we will add our question, which will be question controller. Okay, so we have to add the text over here to make it. So basically what we are saying, if I write the doctor and I have a cancer, so it will say you are a doctor, using that give me an answer of this question. I have a cancer, right? So that's what we achieved over here. We are removing constant over here, and that's it. Let's save it, let's restart it, and we will be shorted enough, right? Okay, so let's try this. Okay, we have to add this in our, okay, let's continue this. We have to add this in our function. This is our function, and we have, where is our button, bro? This is our button. It's lagging a lot, I think. Get answer, boom. Then we will just add a set state. Okay, for the set state we have to go with the, okay, it's lagging a lot, be with me, bear with me for the answer. Convert to the stateful widget. We have converted this. Now going back to the answer and just apply the set state. Okay, yeah, everything looks good. We have refreshed that. Okay, so we have to apply the result answer. We have stored the answer in this is equals to await, as we have to await over here and apply the string. So this response will give the string and it will be applied to the string. Okay, yeah, that's it. Saving it. Let's try this out. Doctor, I have a red mark on my back. Lots of red mark on my back. I'm a 21-year-old boy. What does it means? So I'm asking, so what's gonna be do? Ask. We will ask the question. API will be get called. I think we have applied the notification, right? Okay. Let's check this debugger लगा के देखते हैं. Let's go. And this thing, we're not getting any error over here. Yeah, we get the debugger called. We get the response part. We got the response. We got the result or not. We are waiting for the result, and we got the result. As a doctor, I cannot diagnose medical condition without proper examination. The back could be caused, right? So that's the answer we got. So basically it's now the case of a set state over here, right? And just I show the text. Yeah, sync set state. Let's rebuild the app. Yeah, software engineer, best way to create a new planning app in iPhone. Right, let's go with that. Yeah. Call the response. Call till waiting for the response over here. Takes time. We have to apply the loading. Result. And we get the result. Okay. So basically we can just it's a show set state. It's gonna be represented over here. You can apply it from the okay, where's my think it's lagging a lot, bro. Answer. We can either use the state management over here. So that's it. We get the response. I know you understand the point. In the next video, we will be focusing on how to completely implement using the ChatGPT and how to create models using that. That's also very interesting. So that's a nice. Thank you and have a nice day.